Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to install cpuz. Open the Google Chrome or any browser, cpuz, and enter. You can click anywhere and you can see here the cpuz, the official website, and go down and you can select here setup English. You can see this is the setup for the Windows because we already selected the 32-bit and 64-bit. Just click download now. This is the best tool to gather all the information of our PC. For example, if you are using the task manager or system information, it will gather the information but not like cpuz gathered. It will show even the motherboard manufactured and everything. So that's why we will use cpuz. The tool is officially provided by the CPU ID. So just open here and run as administrator. You can see I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Create a desktop icon. Next, install. Remove the check mark and click finish. Now you can see here the cpuz is installed. Just open. This is the best application to see your complete motherboard and generation of the processor and all the things available here. Clock speed, clock cores, how many cores available on our PC. You can see everything here, and also you can see main board and memory, SPD, graphics. If you have the graphic card, it will show you the graphic card as well, and also benchmark. You can see all the things, all the information. For example, if you select the RAM, it will show you what type of RAM are you using. So this is the best tool to get the information of our PCs. So if you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.